Welcome to my 6,000 mile fluid-free ride Mantis review. Just about every day I get asked questions about the scooter. What is it? How fast does it go? Where's the battery? Where'd you get your helmet? How much does it weigh? Etc. Figured I might as well make a video about my experiences with the scooter so far. I remember when Julian, the CEO of Float Free Ride, released a video for the Mantis, and it didn't seem like it was possible to have a scooter with those specs to also have that kind of performance, at least at the time. Well, let's just play a piece of the video he released introducing the scooter.
So at first, let me give you a little introduction into the scooter. So this is the Mantis Pro, and it comes with two 1000 watt electric motors, 24.5 ampere hour LG battery, so it has lots of range. Our experience yesterday showed we took it for 20 miles and the battery was at 65% afterwards, and it was a mix of dual motor ride, pretty strong, but mostly single motor ride, which still gets you to close to 30 miles an hour and just cruising along 20-30 miles. And yeah, we did 20 miles and 65% of the battery. I think it's fair to say this one can easily do 50 miles if run on 20 to 30 miles, and it'll probably do 30 miles if you really hit it hard and you run it strongly.
After that video, I was already thinking about what mods or accessories to add. Here are the ones I have so far. The high security folding lock. It comes in different colors. Folding handlebars. Been very handy when traveling and needing to squeeze into places normal scooters can't go. The free hand phone holder. Here's a little demonstration of what it can do. The rear fender. Lifesaver from keeping the back of your leg from getting soaked. Oh, links to all the accessories will be in the description below. But now all is sunny about the scooter. Next up, repairs. Now, I've had my share of bad times with the scooter. Some were routine, almost expected. You know, that happened over time. Some were just downright dangerous, in my opinion. This is me attempting to demonstrate the stem making a strange noise. This is just the rotors being rotors, slightly warped and annoying. But this one was just plain dangerous to me. As I pressed the brake, as you'll see, the scooter failed to recognize the press and refused to stop. Luckily, I was able to take it into the Fluid Free Ride shop to get it looked at, and it was easily remedied by the team. Would I recommend Float Free Ride? Absolutely. They have lifetime repairs, and if you bought from them, it's 50% off for those repairs. Even though I did have a tough time with customer service in the beginning, I just chalked it up to them being new to the scene. The real question is, should I be in the market for a new scooter? In the meantime, waiting for the Saunders motorcycle to be delivered. Anyway, questions, comments, leave them below. Catch you next time.